Welcome to an IVS computer technology video tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm the education consultant that's going to walk you through today's steps. Today's video is part of our Smart Notebook 11 video series and it's titled SMART Ink for Education Software Installer 2012 Service Pack 1. Once you update to Service Pack 1, you'll notice a few enhancements to SMART Ink. So we wanted to create a video so that you could see what to look forward to when you update your Smart Notebook software. One thing that you'll notice is that when you click on that Smart Ink toolbar over the top of any open window on your computer, you'll have a new option labeled Settings. When you select Settings, it's going to give you access to your Smart Ink settings. You'll be able to ensure that Smart Ink starts when you log on, or you can turn Smart Ink off. You'll be able to hide all of the Smart Ink toolbars so that they don't show up over every open window, but you're still able to annotate. You can change the opacity of your Smart Ink notes, create 3D effects for your Smart Ink, or you can choose to clear your ink notes after you've inserted them as text. With the original Smart Notebook 11 download, you know that when you created a Smart Ink object, you had the option to move, delete, and convert that Smart Ink object to text. With the Service Pack 1, you'll also notice a drop-down menu. And this drop-down menu is going to give you access to copy and cut so that you can paste your Smart Ink object elsewhere, and an additional option for delete. When converting to text, once you've chosen that convert to text icon, a blue prompt is going to appear, and it's going to prompt you to touch where you want to insert your text. And I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this live. I'm going to select a pen, create an ink object. Then I'm going to click on my ink object, choose that convert to text icon. Here's my blue prompt, and it even shows you what it thinks you've written. If that's correct, then go ahead and touch. I'm going to touch right here where I want my text to appear. And there you can see that it inserted my Smart Ink object as text. I'm going to go ahead and delete this and minimize. Should I go back to my presentation? Similarly, when I'm working with Microsoft Word or Excel, I'm going to notice another blue prompt that looks like this. And it reminds me to use the Microsoft Office Pens tab when I'm in Microsoft Word, Excel, or even PowerPoint edit mode. Let's go to our Microsoft Office document, and when I select a pen from the pen tray or my Smart Slate, here's my blue prompt. And then I can go to my Pens tab, and I can choose my different Microsoft Ink tools. When I'm in PowerPoint and I go into slideshow mode, my Smart Ink toolbar for PowerPoint is changed. It's designed a little bit differently. You can see that it's thinner, has a sleek look. Instead of the pointer, I have Exit Slideshow on this initial toolbar here. And when I expand, I have a lot of the same features I had with the original Smart Notebook 11 download. My ink tools for PowerPoint, my PowerPoint menu, new slide, capture and clear. Your settings are here as well. And then you have vertical toolbar and transparent toolbar. If I select transparent toolbar, then when my toolbar is not in use, it will become transparent. And if I deselect vertical toolbar, I can switch my toolbar back to horizontal, the way it originally looked in Smart Notebook 11. And let's take a look at a slideshow in real time. I'm going to start it from the beginning, and you can see here's my smaller toolbar. I'm going to drag this over so that we can see a little bit better. And when I select this black triangle or these dots, that's what's going to expand and collapse that toolbar. I can choose to capture clear. I'm able to select my PowerPoint ink tools. And then when I want to exit out, I'm going to use this icon here, and this will take me back to edit mode. I'm just going to discard those. One last thing we do want to share in regard to PowerPoint, so I may revisit that PowerPoint in just a moment, is that your gestures are back. This means that while I'm at my smartboard or using my Smart Slate, I can touch twice, making sure that that second touch is to the right of my first, and that's going to navigate me to the next slide. Or I can do the reverse and touch to the left of my initial touch to navigate to my previous slide. Let me show you what this would look like. So in my slideshow, if I tap and then tap to the right, it navigates me forward. If I touch to the right, forward. If I touch, then touch to the left, I go back. Touch to the left. Thank you for joining us for another IVS Computer Technology video tutorial.